Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. So, welcome back to ICT class. Before moving on to today's session, let me remind you what we have discussed in our previous class. Three main activities in new chapter, chapter 7. First activity was selecting a template. For that, create master slides for the presentation. Secondly, we have discussed about how to include a picture and how to arrange that picture behind the text. For that, insert image option, take the insert image option. Then for arranging that image behind the text, go to format option, select send to back. And third activity was how to include a video to the presentation. For that, go to insert menu, select audio or video and select the corresponding video from school resources folder. So this was previous knowledge. Hope you all have remember all those activities which you have completed in the previous class. So in today's class, you are going to learn about. By the end of today's session, the learner will understand about providing interactions to the slide and also to learn about linking the presentation to Wikipedia, how to link that presentation that we have prepared to the internet. Let's start today's session with next two activities in chapter 7. So let's start today's session. As of now, we have completed first three activities in chapter 7. The last class we already have started a new lesson and we have completed first three activities up to include a video in this presentation. Now we are moving to next two activities, activity 7.4 and 5 in your textbook, providing interactions and giving hyperlink. So what do you mean by interaction? It's common that while using website, you visit new pages when you click on the links provided in it. For example, if I click on this picture, it will take us to a new page or a new slide or a new video, new picture, etc. So that is known as interaction. Or if I am creating a shape here and if I am typing next button, and if you click on that next button, it will take us to next slide. Or if I click on that button, it will take us to the first slide. So that is providing interaction. So we can provide interaction to this created slides, either to this text or to this picture or to the video, whatever things we can provide interaction. So let's see how to give interaction. So listen to your textbook, activity 7.4, providing interaction. So I am going to provide interaction to this picture. So how we can provide interaction? First of all, select the object. For example, select the text or picture etc. on the slide you intend to include the interaction. I am going to make interaction to this picture. So select the picture. Then go to format interaction option. Format interaction. So here a pop-up window you can see action at mouse click. Here you can see a drop down menu. So there are a lot of options are available. Go to previous slide, go to next slide, first slide, last slide, page or object, etc. So this category, which means if you click on that picture, if you select this go to previous slide, when you click on that selected picture, it will take us to the previous slide. If you select go to next slide, if you click on that picture which we are selected, it will take us to the next slide. First slide means if you click on that picture, it will take us to the first slide. This means last slide. Here it is page or object, which means it will take a particular page. We can specify the page number. So it will take us to that page or that object. Here go to document option. We can browse the picture or video. So if you click on that picture, it will take us to that video. So these options you need not to study. Play audio, it will play the audio. Then start object action. Then we can run a program. Then run macro. Then exit presentation. Exit presentation means if you click on that picture, it will exit a presentation. So you need to study only go to document up to go to document option. So it is given in page number 103. I think there is one table to fill up the table. No action. Action is given and you have to write the target or the use of this particular fields. So try to complete that field. Two examples are given there in that table. So try to fill up other example. So here I'll show, first of all I'll show this go to document option. So select go to document option from action at mouse click. Select go to document option, and then here you can see a browse option. So click on this browse icon. Then select a picture or video from school resources. I am selecting a video from standard 9. Here in web page resources, 3 videos are available. So I am selecting global warming video itself. Then click on open button, so that here you can see the path of that video. So select go to document option and then browse for a picture or a video. Then click on OK. Then if you move your mouse cursor to this selected picture, you can see the corresponding path which we have selected. So to view that video, double click on this picture. See, if you double click on that picture, since we have provided the interaction, you can see the video. The video will be played. If you selected picture, you can view that picture. So this is meant by interaction. If you move your mouse cursor, you can see the selected file, the path of that selected file. In order to view that, double click on this picture, so that you can see either that video or a picture. We can give interaction to any slides. Then next I'll show another example. First we have selected go to document option. Suppose I need a next button. So from this shape I am going to draw. Simply I am going to draw a shape. You can draw any shape. I am going to draw an arrow. Here I am going to draw an arrow, and inside this shape I am going to type next. I am going to type next. Then for giving interaction, what we have to do? Select this picture or select this object and then format interaction. Here action at mouse click, in this drop down menu I am going to select go to next slide. You can select any of this item. I am going to select go to next slide option, and then here there is no browse window or browse option. So click on OK. So I have provided the interaction to this object. If you move your mouse cursor here, you can see a pop-up go to next slide and a finger like symbol. If you click on here in this object, you can see the next slide. So this is meant by interaction, giving interaction to the slide. Similar way we can make exit presentation. For example, I am going to draw another shape. Inside this I am going to type exit. Then for giving interaction, select the object, go to format option, then interaction. From this drop down icon I am going to select exit presentation option and then click on OK button. Then I am going to play this as a slideshow. I am going to give start from first slide and I am going to click on this particular exit button. See, a presentation got exited from this slideshow presentation. So this is meant by providing interaction to the objects. So this is activity 7.4 in your textbook. We can provide interaction to text, object, pictures, videos, etc. So that it will take us to a new page or to a new object or to next slide, previous slide, last slide, etc. So this is activity 7.4. Hope you all clear about this activity. So now we are moving to next activity, providing hyperlink. What do you mean by hyperlink? Have you heard about hyperlink option? Hyperlink means you have seen a lot of information in internet related to global warming. Now think of how to link that presentation. To link this presentation, you have prepared to Wikipedia. Hyperlink means it is internet oriented. If suppose if I click on this global warming text, it will take us to internet, Wikipedia, in that Google Wikipedia option. So that we have to provide correct URL of that website. So if you provide correct URL of that website, you can view it in Wikipedia. So it is internet oriented. How to link this presentation to that particular website? It is known as providing hyperlink. So that's next activity, activity 7.5 in your textbook. So let's see how to provide what hyperlink. Okay. So how to give hyperlink? For that, normally we are giving hyperlink to the text. So select the text. I am going to select this global warming title, and how to provide hyperlink. Either you can click on this particular symbol, insert hyperlink option, or go to insert menu. Go to insert menu. Here you can see hyperlink option. So click on this particular button, insert hyperlink. So another pop-up window will appear. Here left side you can see a lot of options. From this we are going to select internet option, the first option. And here you can see a box which is named as URL. Here we have to give the corresponding URL of that website. Either you can select from this Google. URL means this particular field, URL. So to which page it's to be opened, we have to provide the that corresponding URL in this box. So I am going to give global warming in Wikipedia. I am going to give that corresponding URL, and that URL is given in your textbook page number 104. So type that URL, https://en.wikipedia.org/wiki/global warming. So this is the corresponding URL of Wikipedia related to global warming. So it is given in textbook. Otherwise you can select from the Google. So type the corresponding URL here and click on apply option. Click on OK. So type the web page address, which means the URL of that file to be linked in the target box. This is known as target box. So type the URL in this target box. The text you selected to give hyperlink will appear in the text box. I have selected the text called global warming. So the corresponding text you can see in the text box. So this will be the markup text. Then click on apply, click on OK button. See the change. Previous activity, our text color was blue color. When we provide hyperlink to that text, the corresponding text got the color has changed. So in order to view the hyperlink, or in order to visit that web page, if you move your mouse cursor to the corresponding text, you can see the pop-up control click to follow hyperlink, which means press your control key in your keyboard and then click on that particular heading. So press control key and then click over here. So you can see the corresponding page in Google, Wikipedia related to global warming. So we can provide the corresponding URL. The URL, first you copy from the Google and after that paste it on that window, that box, URL box, so that when you click on that heading, you can see the corresponding page in internet. So hope you all clear about this particular activity, providing hyperlink. Either you can select this simple or go to insert option, select hyperlink option, type the corresponding URL in the URL box. After that, press control key in your keyboard and click on this title. So here comes activity 7.4 and 5, providing interaction. Interaction means it will take us to new page or new object. Hyperlink means it will take us to the corresponding web page related to internet, information in internet. So this is activity 7.4 and 5. Read your textbook activity points. Today we have discussed about two main activities in chapter 7. Activity 7.4, providing interaction. For that, select the object, for example, text, image, video, etc. select the object and then click on format option, interaction. Then a window will appear, pop-up window will appear. There action at mouse click. From that drop down menu, select go to document option and then browse for the image or that video. Click on browse option, then open the school resources folder, select the appropriate video from that folder and then click on OK button. So thereby we can provide interaction to the created slides. Next we have discussed about next activity, activity 7.5. Let's hyperlink, how to link the presentation you have prepared to Wikipedia. For that, select the word in the slide. For example, we have selected global warming. After that, click on insert menu, select hyperlink option and then a pop-up window will appear. There you can see one target box. There enter the URL or type the URL. After that, this text you have selected. Here a selected text was global warming. It is known as markup text. That markup text will appear in the text box and click on Control key in your keyboard and if you click on that markup text, so that it will take us to the Google Wikipedia page. So like this we can provide hyperlink to the text in the slide. Here is the homework for you. Try to find out the answers and write it in your notebook. So that's all for today. Other activities will be continued in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.